Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. So guys, in this video I'll telling you how to create friends activity or follow following activity on your chat application in Sketchware. So guys, this is the easiest and working tutorial for you to create friends activity on your chat application. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, first I'll added a page called userprofile.xml. So guys, I'll just click on it and I'll using this page for getting user data like name, email and most important ID. And this is the button called text view action, and I'll using this button for add friend, reject friend request, remove friends and accept friend request. So guys, এই বাটনটাকে কাজে লাগিয়ে আমরা friend request accept করব, friend request পাঠাবো এবং friend request ডিলিট করব, ফ্রেন্ডসগুলোকে বের করে দিতে পারবো আমাদের ফ্রেন্ড লিস্ট থেকে। সো গাইস, এটা হচ্ছে আমাদের মেন বাটন, অ্যাকশন বাটন। ফার্স্ট আই উইল শোয়িং ইউ দ্য all user activity. So guys, this is the all user activity and this is the list we want, and I'll click on event and on item I'll add it on item clicked event, and here this is the code. First I'll add it intent, I put extra key user data, this is the key, and value is get value at position key id of list map. So guys, this is the user id, and intent I set skin user profile activity. Okay, and then start activity intent I. This is the code for sending user id to user profile activity. So this is the code, and then I'll open the this is the custom view user.xml, and this is the text view b1, and this is text view b2. Okay, and this is a custom view. So user.xml, and then I'll click on view and go to our user profile.xml, and here component area. So this is the component I'll add it in this page, and this is the same and this same component I'll add it other pages. So guys, এই সমস্ত একই কম্পোনেন্ট কিন্তু তোমাদেরকে অ্যাড করতে হবে অন্য পেজগুলোতেও, লাইক ফায়ারবেস অথ, এফ অথ, ফায়ারবেস ডাটাবেস, FBDB user and F store DP, and I'll added this two database Firebase DB request and I requesting. So I'll using this Firebase database for showing who can send me friend request, and guys it will show who I send the friend request. So guys, আমি কাকে friend request পাঠিয়েছি সেটা আমরা I requesting থেকে জানবো, and first I'll show use our action button. So guys, this is the action button, and on click event I'll added this code. Okay, if text view action get text equal to add friends, then map1 create new map1 put key IDs value activity get extra key user data, then map1 put key request value Firebase auth get UID, then Firebase database request push value map1, then map1 clear, and then I'll added map2 create new map2 put key IDs value Firebase auth get UID, and map2 put key requested value activity get extra key user data, and then Firebase DB I requesting push value map2, and then map2 clear. Else if text view action get text equal to accept, then the same code is here. So guys, we'll just copy and paste there, and else nothing. So guys, here I will add it 3 map variable, and then 2 number variable, 2 string variable str1 and str2, and then I'll add it list string. So guys, here first I'll add it list string map, and then I'll add it 3 list map, like first list map is map list, second is request map, and then I'll add a requesting map. So guys, this is the variable and list. I'll add it, and then I'll go back, and then I'll go on component area, and here I will first FBDB user on child added. Here is the simple code like Firebase DB FBDB get children to list map list. Then if child key equals to activity get extra key user data, then মানে child key equal যদি আমাদের ইউজারের আইডি হয়, সো গাইজ ইফ চাইল্ড কি ইকুয়ালস টু ইউজার আইডি হয়, দেন টেক্সট ভিউ ওয়ান নেম সেট টেক্সট, দিস ইজ দ্য সিম্পল জয়েন অ্যান্ড ব্লক. সো গাইজ জয়েন নেম অ্যান্ড ম্যাপ child value get key name, then text view to email same code and text view to id, this is the id. Okay, id is the same code, and then image view circle image view set image from url, this is the same code, and else nothing. And then this is the mode block set user with this is the child key, and this is the child map value. Here this is the child map value, and activity extra key is user data. Okay, this is the more block, and I'll showing you later. First I'll showing the component. So guys, this is the request on child added. So as here this is the code Firebase DB request get children to list map request map, then set user. So this is the more block set user, and this is the child key, this is the child value, and this is the activity get extra key user data. Okay, so guys request এর সমস্ত ডাটা আমরা request map এর মধ্যে পাঠাচ্ছি. Okay, then back, and then the same code is here I requesting on child added. So guys, this is the code Firebase DB I requesting get children to requesting map, then this is the more block set user and child key is here, and map value child value is here, and activity get extra key user data is here. Okay, this is the code for our component, and then I'll open our, so as I'll click open our event area and then click on more block, and this is the set user. Okay, so guys I'll just click on set user, and this is the code. If you want you can take a screenshot of this code. So guys first I'll added number n1 to 0, then I'll added repeat block, repeat length of list request map, and then if list map request map contains at n1 key IDs, then if get value at n1 keys IDs of list map request map equals Firebase auth get uid, then if value at n1 key request of list map request map equals user data. So guys user data is activity get extra key user data, yani মানে এটা হচ্ছে আমাদের ইউজারের আইডি. ওকে, দিস ইজ ইউজার আইডি, and then set string str1 to follow, else nothing, and last number n1 increase 1, and then I'll added set number n2 to 0, and then repeat length of requesting map, and then if list map requesting map contains as n2 key IDs, then if get value at n2 key IDs of list map requesting map equals to Firebase auth get uid, and then if get value at n2 key requested of list map requesting map equals to user data, then string str2 to following, and then I'll added number n2 increase 1, and in the last I'll added activities more block. This is the more block, so I'll showing you the more block, and when you create the set user more block, you will added this 3 string variable called child, and second is map child value, and third is user data. So guys user data is most important part. Okay, so guys this is the code, and I'll open the activities code. So guys this is the code for activities. So guys first I'll added if else block. So guys if str1 equals to follow and str2 equals to following, then text view action set text friends, else if str1 equals to follow and str2 equals to not, then text view action set text accept, and then if str equals to not and str2 equals to following, then text view action set text requested, and else text view action set text add friends. Okay, and then I'll added these two string, set string 1 to not and set string 2 to not, and I'll showing you the activity area. So guys, this is the on create activity, and I'll added these two string called str1 to not and str2 to not. Okay, this is the code for our user profile activity, and then I'll showing you the friends area. So guys, this is the friends segment. So guys, friends segment, I'll first this is the list view 1, and I'll added this custom view to users. Okay, this is the custom view, and I'll added the same component here, if you can see here. So guys, first, and here also I'll okay, I'll just showing you FBDB user on child added, and first I'll showing you I'll added this variable map1 map2 and number variable n1 n2 n. So guys, this is a variable I'll added, and then I'll added the 3 map list map request map, list map I requesting map, and list map user map. Okay, so guys, first I'll added this block Firebase FBDB get children to list map user map, then list view 1 set list custom view data list map user map, and then list view 1 refresh data. So guys, this is the code for FBDB user, and then I'll added the Firebase DB request on child added. So here is the code Firebase DB request get children to list map request map, then list v1 refresh data. So guys, this is the code for request, and then I'll added the I requesting on child added. So this is the code Firebase DB I requesting get children to list map I requesting map, then list v1 refresh data. So guys, this is the component area, and then I'll go on our on-bind custom view list view 1 on-bind custom view. So guys, I'll just open it on-bind custom view, and there is the code for you, and this is the very big code. Okay, you can take a screenshot of this code. Okay, so guys, I'll just showing you. First I'll added if else block. So guys, if list map users map content at position key id, then linear 1 set visible, and then text view b1 set text a, and text view b2 set text b. Okay, and then I'll added if else block. If get value at position key id of list map user map equals to Firebase dot get uid, then linear 1 set visible gone, and then else. So guys, text view name set text get value at position key name of list map user map, and then I'll added this block set number n to 0, and then repeat length of request map. If list map request map contains that in 1 key IDs, then if else I'll added if else block. If get value at n1 key IDs of list map request map equals to Firebase or get uid, then if get value at n1 key request of list map request map equals to get at position key id of list map user map, then text view b1 set text follow. Okay, and then I'll added this number n1 increase 1. Okay, inside the repeat block. Then I will added this block set number 2 to 0. Okay, I'll just scroll up. So guys, and then I'll added this block set number n2 to 0, and then I'll repeat the block length of I requesting map, and this is the same code, just change the I requesting map, just change the map and number variable. So guys, number n2 to 0 and repeat block length of I requesting map, and then I'll add a if else block list map I requesting map contains at n2 key IDs. Then if get value at n2 key IDs of list map I requesting map equals to Firebase or get UID, then I'll add it if else block, and then if get value at n2 key requested of list map I requesting map equals to get value at position key ID of list map user map, then I'll set to text view b2 set text following. Okay, and then inside the repeat block I'll add it number n2 increase 1. Okay, so guys, then I'll add it if else block if text view b1 get text equal to follow and text view b2 get text equal to following equals to following, then text view b1 set text friends view linear set visible text view b1 set visible and text view b2 set visible gone. Okay, and else text view b1 set text error view linear 1 set visible gone, view text view b1 set visible invisible and text view b2 set visible invisible. Okay, so guys, linear 1 set visible gone. Okay, and then else linear 1 set visible gone. Okay, this is the code for list view onbind custom view for friends, and this is the event area and on create event. I think this is the nil. Okay, sorry, set number n to 0. Okay, this is the code, and then I'll go on request area. So guys, request area, the same custom view users, and I'll added the same component and same map variable and same list map. Okay, all are same and the code are also same, just I'll showing you. So guys, I'll open the list view onbind custom view. The code are all the same. Okay, user map and all the same, just here it will be changed, like text view b1 get text equal to follow and text view b2 get text equal to b, then text view b1 set text accept and linear 1 set visible text view b1 set visible and text view b2 set visible gone. Okay, and else text view b1 set text error and linear 1 set visible gone, text view b1 set visible invisible, text view b2 set visible invisible, and else linear 1 set visible gone. So guys, this is the code for this is the changeable code and উপরের সমস্ত কোডই কিন্তু একই রয়েছে। Okay, and then I will showing you I requesting. So guys, I'll showing you I request block. So guys, this is, and here I'll added the same component, same map variable, same list map, and the code also are same, and same custom view I'll added in this list view 1 and the same code on onbind custom view. Just change this, I'll just showing you, just change this code. Text view b1 get text equal to 1 and text view b2 get text equal to following, then text view b1 set text following and linear 1 set visible and text view b1 set visible and text view b2 set visible gone, and else text view b1 set visible error and linear 1 set visible gone, and text view b1 set visible invisible and text view b2 set visible invisible, and else linear 1 set visible gone. So guys, this is the code for creating friends activity or following activity on your chat application. So guys, if you new to my channel, then subscribe to my channel and like this video, share this video to your friends and leave a comment. চলো তাহলে অ্যাপ্লিকেশনটা দেখা যাক কেমন হয়েছে।